One of the requests that we've been getting from a lot of you, our clients, is that you want to see full white label solutions for showing the data from RevealerGenius. And that is what we now have, and I'm going to show you how it works. So the RevealerGenius dashboard here, you will pick and select which clients you want to give access to, and then you will go into where we call visibility here. So once you click on visibility, you want to set the visibility to be public. So if it's private, it means that no one else will be able to have access to this. And if it's public, then they'll be able to have access to it. And then you will see a password here. So this is the password that your clients will use to log in into the system to be able to see the data associated with them. And then you can change this password as you like, and then you can copy it using this here. And then you want to edit the hosting area. Now I already added some stuff here, but in your case, the hosting ads will be empty. You need to click on the little gear icon you will see here to edit the hosting information. And what we're doing here is you want to add your company name. So the domain is what will appear in the link that you will send to the clients to then log into the system to access the data. So usually you want to use your company's domain information. So you can say again, Outreach Genius, right? And what you see here is it goes outreachgenius.tag4.org. So that means that's the link that will be used by your client to access this data. And then you can copy this domain information as well. And then you want to provide your company logo URL. And once you're done with that, then you save it. And then you also will save this as well. And then once that is saved, you can go into visibility, set it to be public again, and then you don't want to click on where it's been hosted at. So this is the link you're going to be sharing with your clients, and once they open it, so they will be forced to enter a password. This is where the password would be. So this is the password right here. So click on this, and I'm going to save it, the password, and submit. And there you go. So this is essentially what your clients will be seeing, and this feature is now rolled out and accessible to you right now.